okay this car. It's really nice, right? But have you ever wondered how can ordinary people can afford a car that costs around 100,000? Most people don't even have that kind of money saved up.
Squidward? Squidward, is that you?
So, how do they do it? The answer is Annuity.
Yes, the answer to how ordinary people can afford expensive purchases is annuity. An annuity is a series of equal payments made at regular intervals over a fixed period of time. In everyday life, annuity are commonly applied in financial products such as installment payment plans, education loans, car loan, as well as home mortgages. There are two main types of annuity, which are present value annuity and future value annuity. How does it work? Future value annuity involves making regular saving today to achieve a financial goal in the future, while present value annuity allows an individual to obtain an asset immediately and repay it through equal periodic payments. Let's first look at an example of future value annuity.
100,000? Maybe in another lifetime.
Don't be sad. You can start by saving a fixed amount every month. So, save now and buy later? Exactly. That's called future value annuity.
Future value annuity uses this formula to determine the accumulated value of regular saving over time. In our example, the customer planned to save consistently before purchasing the dream car. However, not everyone is able or willing to wait several years before owning a car.
I have always wanted this car, but 100,000 is way out of my budget.
Good afternoon. Looking for your dream car?
Dream? Yes. Budget tapi.
Don't worry. I have a better choice for you, which is more than as to the Really? Yeah. That is the wow. Most people don't pay the full price upfront. They apply for a car loan. Really? Then how do people usually afford it? This car costs 15,000. The deposit is 10%, which is 5,000. The loan amount is 45,000. The interest is 3% per year, and the loan period is 7 years. So I only have to pay 5,000 today? Yes. Then you repay the bank through equal monthly installment. So how does the bank know how much is the monthly payment? Let's calculate it using the present value annuity.
To determine the monthly repayment, we first use the present value annuity formula, which calculates the equal monthly installment required to repay a loan over a fixed period. Next, we identify the values from our car loan scenario and substitute them into the formula. Thus, the monthly repayment is 594.60 per month. Now that we have determined the monthly repayment, we can calculate the interest charge throughout the loan period. The interest charge is calculated using the formula I equal to NR minus 8. After substituting the value into the formula, the total interest charge is 4,946.40. Therefore, the total amount repaid to the bank over the 7-year loan period is 49,946.40, which includes both the original loan amount and the interest charge.
So even though we borrow 45,000, we repay more because of interest.
Maybe they are just checking if I'm having a good day.
I don't think bank usually call about your feeling. Actually, you have missed 2 monthly repayment.
Am I in trouble?
Let's calculate how much you need to pay. To continue your loan, you will need to pay the overdue amount. If the repayment continue to be missed, the bank may impose additional charges or even repossess the vehicle.
Now, let's calculate the amount due after missing 2 monthly repayments. We use the future value annuity to determine the accumulated amount that must be paid. Next, we identify the value from our loan scenario and substitute them into the formula. Thus, the amount required to settle the 2 missed monthly repayment is 1,190.69.
I guess paying on time is really important.
Yes, I've been paying for my car for 3 years.
Wow, 3 years? Then your loan must almost be finished.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. But how do I calculate my outstanding balance?
Let's find out.
Okay, let's calculate the outstanding balance using the present value annuity formula, which determines the remaining loan amount after a certain number of repayments have been made. In this situation, the borrower has been making monthly repayment for 3 years. Since the original loan period is 7 years, there are still 4 years of 48 monthly installment remaining. After identifying the value and substituting them into the formula, the remaining outstanding balance is...
What? I still owe that much? Interest really makes a difference.
Exactly. During the early years, a large portion of your payment goes toward interest instead of reducing the principal.